today we're going on a little adventure, a little quick trip to Lytle Creek. Never been here before. First time out here. And yeah, brought the KLX. Hop on these trails. I heard it's like a very beginner trail, so not too shabby. And also doing some scouting, so I can bring the boys here next time and mob it with the bikes out here. I also hear I've heard that it snows up here, so I would really like to come here when it's snowing, and also ride in the snow. That'd be sick. I think next time I should probably get here a little earlier. I left my house at 7. It's well, that's wrong. It's 8:15, I think. And then I did have to stop by, top off one last time, and get some snacks and stuff. So not bad. I also took the streets. The fact that it's a Monday and it's traffic hour on the freeway, everybody's trying to get to work and stuff, I'm not risking that, so took the streets. It wasn't bad, but just stop and go without the lights. Alright, we should be coming up. Entrance. It's next to a shooting range. That's how you can tell. There's one earlier, I don't know, a while back, but I think there's another one up ahead. Oh. Alright, here we are. Yeah, so this is the shooting range to the right. And this is the entrance to the trail. Alright. Let's get going. Let's see what's here. No target shooting, street legal vehicles only. No VHs. Oh, no vehicles off-road. Oh, okay. No campfires, charcoal, barbecues prohibited. Okay. Alright. This is why I bought a dual sport. So we can do things like this. Whoa. Whoa. Squirrel. I don't know what that was. Oh shit. Alright. Alright. Huh. Just go. Fuck it. Let's keep going straight. Alright, just give me a second. Alright, so I was going the wrong way. The way I was heading would take me up this ridge on my left hand side, and that's not where I'm trying to go. Oh, nice. I think it's a carrot. Yeah. Alright, less rocks. Cool. Yeah, this spot's nice. Cool little spot. Campfires. Whoa! Yeah, okay. Which way? Looks like it goes left. The only way to get up there if I follow this creek and hug the trail, because it's like, you know, it has some height to it, and then find an entrance to that trail. But I don't know, it's like past this big pine tree right here, or I don't know if it's a pine tree. Alright. Let's go find some shade. And then regroup. Oh, another campsite. It should take me to the other spot I was at. Oh, shit scared me. The rapper. This is not a bad spot. It just sucks that. Oh, it's a deer! Yo! I don't know if my camera can pick it up. It's right there. Oh shit. Oh, I don't know where it went. Damn. That's cool. It looked pretty small. Not like baby, but I don't know. That's cool. I'm surprised he wasn't afraid of the sound. Damn. Try to capture it on the camera. That's crazy. Cool. Probably take a quick little break right here. Recharge real quick. Whoa. And then hit up the creek. Since we're here already, why not? Here we go. 10 miles of rocks. It was quicker going down than going up. Alright. It's time to hit up the creek. I've ended the video here, then peace out, guys. I'll see you next time. If not, I'll see you at the creek. Deuces.